I walked across the north end of the west field. For those of you who know the practice facility, the first field, walked along the north end toward the middle of the area between the two fields, the two synthetic fields. It was an unremarkable journey in the sense that practice was normal, plays were being conducted with no difficulty. Matter of fact, I witnessed 2 completed passes as I was walking up and stood and greeted someone. I turned to face north, and experienced a pretty extraordinary burst of wind. Things started flying by me that had otherwise been stationary for all of practice. Gatorade containers, towels, etc. I noticed the netting on the goalpost, behind the goalpost, start to bend dramatically, and I heard a crash. At first, I couldn't orient the location of the crash because, of course, the source of the crash was something that wasn't there anymore. It was missing. The scissor lift had fallen north outside the practice field. The investigation began immediately. It involved, in the first instance, the Notre Dame Police Department, an accident reconstruction team, which has been engaged to look at it. Indiana OSHA is involved in the investigation. And we are committed, first and foremost, to conducting an absolutely thorough and complete investigation. There's a lot to learn here, and we will learn it all. And we will learn it all in an expeditious manner, but the investigation will take the time it will take to make sure we understand all the dynamics of this and what happened. We don't have those answers today. I know there's a lot of speculation about what may or may not have happened, but that's what the investigation is for. And we'll let that investigation thoroughly and completely run its course, and then we'll have the ability to really understand what happened, to learn from it, and to move forward from it.